How to apply for Walmart credit card. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in apply for a Walmart credit card and navigate to the Spoon website. Once you're over here, scroll down, then click on the option agree and continue. Now go ahead and type in the email address. Make sure it is valid. Then click on continue. Now, how would you like to apply? Apply using digital ID verification or apply by entering personal details manually. For the quick process, you can select this one option. Apply using digital ID verification and click on continue. Now you'll need to verify your Canadian passport, driver license, or a photo ID card and other acceptable IDs. Click on enable camera and upload the photos of front and back of the selected IDs. Then just go to the process. In case you have selected the option apply by entering personal details, you will need to fill out these. Type in your first name, last name, likewise date of birth. Then you will need to type in your home address. Just fill out all the details, and once you have provided all the details and submit it, you'll be good to go. You have applied for the Walmart credit card. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily apply for Walmart credit card. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.